Welcome to Summarize Science, where we explore fascinating new research. Today, we're looking at a paper that could change how we monitor cholesterol, a key indicator of heart health. Current methods can be slow or require expensive lab equipment, so researchers are always looking for better alternatives. The team behind this study developed a new type of sensor using a material called hematite, which is a form of iron oxide, basically rust. They used a one-pot method to create a hierarchical structure and then doped it, meaning they added very small, precise amounts of other metals like manganese and cobalt. The idea was to see if these additions could boost the hematite's ability to detect cholesterol electrochemically. After creating several versions, one stood out as the clear winner, a sample doped with 5% cobalt, which the paper calls CF5. This diagram gives a great overview of the process. The nanomaterial is coated onto a porous nickel foam, creating an electrode. When placed in a solution, it can react with cholesterol, generating an electrical current that can be measured by an analyzer. And here are the results in action. As the researchers added more and more cholesterol to the mix, the electrical current from the sensor increased in clear, distinct steps. This shows a direct and reliable relationship between the amount of cholesterol and the sensor's signal, which is exactly what you want. The performance was incredible. The sensor had a rapid response time of just 2 seconds. It also demonstrated 95% stability after 100 cycles, and it was highly selective. That means it could pick out cholesterol specifically without being fooled by other substances that are normally found in blood. Of course, a sensor is only useful if it works on real-world samples. The researchers tested their CF5 electrode using human blood serum from a clinic, comparing their results to the official clinical findings. As you can see in this table, their sensor achieved an accuracy between 94% and 98%, which is outstanding for a new technology. So, what makes it work so well? Theoretical calculations showed that adding cobalt atoms changed the material's electronic properties, essentially making it easier for electrons to move around. This enhanced conductivity is a key reason for the sensor's high sensitivity. As a fascinating final test, the team even checked the material's biocompatibility by seeing how it affected plant growth. Amazingly, seeds not only germinated but grew into healthy seedlings in a solution containing the nanomaterial, highlighting its non-toxic nature. So, let's recap the important points. The researchers successfully created a new cholesterol sensor using cobalt-doped hematite. This sensor is incredibly fast, sensitive, stable, and highly accurate when tested on real human blood samples. It's also non-toxic and built from relatively common materials. The future implications are huge. This technology could lead to the development of cheaper, faster, and more accessible point-of-care devices for cholesterol testing, maybe even miniaturized or wearable sensors for real-time health monitoring. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.